guys, it's me Vane. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are decluttering a couple areas of my house, so let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is do a couple loads of laundry. I'm gonna be doing about 2 to 3 loads today. While that is getting done, let's go to my master bedroom. I put everything that is out of place in a miscellaneous basket to do a quick declutter. And later today, I will grab each item and put it in its place. Now I'm folding all my blankets and making space in my bed to fold and hang my clothes. I like to fold my clothes first, and then I like to pile up the items that I will be hanging to make the process go by faster. Once I have all the items piled up together, I like to make sure that they're all aligned so that when I put the hangers in, it goes by quicker. So here I am hanging everything. As you can see, it's super quick. Everything is folded and I'm ready to go. Now we're gonna put the clothes in the dressers and we're gonna switch the load from the washer to the dryer. Now that everything is put away, we're going to make our beds with some freshly cleaned sheets. Now this part is actually pretty cool. Putting a duvet cover can be very difficult, so I have a quick and simple tip for you. First, take your duvet and spread it on your bed so that each corner is aligned with your bed corners as well. Then, take your duvet cover and turn it inside out. Once it's inside out, spread it on your bed so that each corner aligns together. While grabbing onto the top corners of both the duvet and the cover, start folding them downwards until you get to the end of the bed. Once you've reached the end of the bed, you will grab the top corner of the opening of the duvet cover and the bottom of the opening of the duvet cover, and it will go around the bottom part of the duvet. Once the folded duvet is inside the covers, grab the top corner of the duvet and align them with the duvet cover's corners. Start shaking it and you'll see how the duvet spreads over your bed on its own. And that's the end result. Now let's take a water break. Cleaning the house is a full-on workout. And since we're in the kitchen, now let's get to unloading the dishwasher, doing the dishes, and finishing cleaning the kitchen. One tip I have for you here in the kitchen is to have a couple folded garbage bags at the bottom of your garbage can. So whenever you're taking it out, you don't forget to refill it right then and there. Now let's do one more load of laundry and let's go to the bathroom. Decluttering the bathroom counter can be pretty easy if you have designated containers or drawers for like items. I take everything off the counter, clean it, and put them back where they were. Now let's organize the office. Similar process in the bathroom. Grab everything and place it either where it belongs, or if it doesn't belong in the office, then take it to its place or to the miscellaneous basket. As you can see, Rapunzel sometimes barks at the tree when it's very windy, and I think it's adorable.
let's finish up by mopping the floors with this ginormous mop that gets the work done in half the time. Now we are done. Thank you guys for cleaning with me. Let me know if you like these kinds of videos and I will make more for you.